Welcome back, everybody, to the home of the greatest show on earth. That is 79th Street and the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru production back down here in Miami at 79th. And our guy is coming in hot. Man, this one could be interesting because there's no slowing down for these ones. They're approaching the dock. Pelican, you better get out of the way. There we go. I mean, they really are. They're coming in hot, bro. Oh, there we go. That might buff out in the end. Oh, now we're going to slow it down after the little tap of love on the dock. Bro, it's not a parallel parking spot. You can't back this one in. Our crew looks a little confused here. I guess our guy's going to try and step off this back swimming platform and see if he can pull him in this way. And now our guy's reversing it around the other direction. This is a little bit of a mess. But we got plenty of line. Our guy's going to try and pull him around, but our captain's going to use the engine to fight his power and reverse this in the wrong direction. Maybe you guys just want to switch the lines on this one and just call it a day. No, our captain's going to toss it around the bow, and we're gonna try and spin this baby around. Man, it's always nice to be down here at 79th. It just never seems to disappoint. I mean, this is our first boater of the day, and we've already got a show going on. And I expect today to be a little bit action-packed. We've kind of stalled this one out here. Cap, you're going to have to give him a little bumper reverse just to kind of even this one back out, but I guess he's decided he's done hitting the dock and doesn't really want to mess with any more power than he needs to. Our guy on the dock's going to throw another line, and that should be it for this one. I mean, we're going to get it pulled off. I gotta be honest, I'm not 100% sure what we're witnessing here. This guy's been trying to drive the ski over the person in front of him. I guess he's about to try and get off onto the dock here. Oh, no! He almost went in. Oh, no life jacket on or anything as well. Oh, man, that was close. Oh, I guess we're gonna have to give this one a second attempt. Well, and we're not even going to do it right there. We're going to try and run this thing back around. This is what was going on before this as well, is they were pushing this thing back up. But our guy, he's going to reapproach this dock, and we're going to get this leap one more shot. Let's see if we've got success the second time around. This guy looks like he's going to help him, and in the end, he's kind of like, nah. He looks a little nervous about trying to get back up on this one. Here we go. Oh, and success. So this is an interesting one here. Obviously, our guy in the white SUV, launching these two Sea-Doo Sparks, has decided he's going to block basically 3 lanes at the ramp. And this person in the contender, it looks like they're going to try and launch around him, which is just interesting. I mean, this is a big boat with trip engines in the back, and he's just not waiting on this guy to launch. But there's no way at the angle he's at he's getting down here now. I wonder, somebody's got to. If somebody's going to come say something to these guys. One of these guys in this truck that's in this contender, with the way they just back down like this, they're not going to just sit here and wait on these guys. Somebody's out. Here we go. Right here. Bruh. Bruh, you gonna move this thing? Come on, bruh. Oh, man. Yeah, these guys don't seem to really care, though, either. They're like, yeah, whatever. We're just gonna sit here and take our sweet time. So our guy's just giving him the eyeball as he's sitting here waiting, like, yeah, we'd love to launch this boat if you weren't taking up the 3 lanes. It's not really getting this crew to speed the process up at all, though. I mean, I'm assuming somebody will come say something else. I'm waiting for the driver of this truck now is going to come out and say something too. You know, it's one thing when the ramps are slow, but I mean, at a busy place like 79th, you just can't block 3 lanes like this. Yeah, but here comes the driver walking down too. I don't know if he's going to be as kind as the passenger was when he gets down here. But it looks like we got both skis off. Oh, and then they're pulling out, and our driver's running back to his rig to back this thing down the ramp. And this crew came in double fenders out. We got fenders on both sides of the boat, so I mean, our cap's ready for whatever. The only reason I'm really focused on this one is I always find it wild to watch when there's somebody standing in the back swim deck of one of these jet boats. These things are so jerky, and I'm waiting for somebody to fall off the back of one of these one day. Oh, he's pulling a switcheroo. He had his crew all set out to on the right-hand side with lines and everything, and even she's pointing like, hey, you're docking over there, and Cap's like, no, we are docking here now. Our crew wasn't really prepared for this, but I mean, Captain was. They should have known. He was double fenders out on both sides. Oh, that was a close one too. But nobody's got a bow line off because the bow line was on the other side. Now they've got to try and switch this back up. The women are just leaving though. They're coming up there. Well, oh, here comes this girl. Let's see if she's going to pull them back in because we're drifting out hard now. Yep, she's grabbing the dock and she's going to pull them back in. Well, they're going to get a little assist from the ladies. I thought the ladies would leave him for a second. But he pulled the old switcheroo on him and nobody was ready. They thought he was going to go to the other dock, and got to watch out for these guys when they got fenders out on both sides. They're going to, anything goes when that's happening. These guys are coming in hot as well. And they're towing a jet ski, which is a little strange because there's no brakes. So when this boat stops coming in hot, that ski should keep moving. These guys are pulling. The ski's riding low, though. Oh, that ski's riding really low. Oh no, he fell in. Oh, that ski's sinking. Look at the ski. It's riding low in the rear. He must have tore a carbon seal off that thing or something because that ski is taking on water. Now we know why they were coming in hot. What is this guy? He's just going to throw the wakeboard out. I wonder if that's wakeboard's with him. I wonder if this boat is not with them. Because this guy's just trying to unload stuff to other people now, so. Oh, man, that ski is sinking. Man, that one's done, bro. That one. Oh, no, we're going to get blocked on the shot. Oh, we're going to have to move. This is the aftermath. I mean, wow. These guys are just pouring water out of this thing. I gotta imagine, you know, Sea-Doos are notorious for having those carbon seals fail, and when those carbon seal fails, it can just take on water. Oh, our guy just fell down. You can just, that's how slippery this ramp is. There's no way he's getting any grip at the rear end of the ski. Man, I feel bad for these guys. That's just a tough one when that kind of stuff happens. I mean, I hate to see this, but this ski's pretty much done. Just like our day. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps back down here at 79th Street. If you did, be sure to check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who gets all these great images down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And Boats vs. Haulover, where Man and Machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.